The 2011 BMW Z4. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. BMW prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, speed-sensitive wipers, a power convertible roof, and remote keyless entry. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, knee airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Come on in and take a test drive.